Hi everyone, here's a quick example of how you can put an indicator on top of another indicator. I'll show you what I mean in this example. I've got a RSI and a relative index comparison chart, which is basically a relative strength chart. But let's say I want to put the RSI on the relative index comparison, not the price chart. So all we have to do is right click in the panel where you want the tool to be applied. So I'm going to go here and type RSI, and when I put that on the chart, you can see that the description there is the 14-period RSI of the relative index comparison, not the price chart. So its value is 64.38 compared to 78.14 just on the price-based RSI. Here's another example of overlaying a tool over the price chart. So this show view that we've got down the bottom, it's where the RSI is above 70. It's a true false condition, so it only appears where it's true, obviously with a value of 1, but we can drag that over the price chart. Just left click on any one of those green bars and drag it over the price chart. You'll see your cursor change to a little hand and then drop to let go. That might be a bit too full on, so we can change the transparency. Right click, go to the properties, fill transparency, and just roll your mouse wheel back to change that and be able to see the chart underneath. Hope those have been useful. Any questions, please let us know.